Malaysia has taken a significant step in bolstering its maritime surveillance capabilities with the deployment of Turkish-made Anka-S drones over the South China Sea. The three unmanned aerial vehicles, acquired for MYR $423.8 million, approximately $89.4 million, arrived at Labuan Air Base in June 2025 and are preparing to begin operations over these strategically important waters. Developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, the Anka-S represents a medium-altitude long-endurance, MALE, drone system specifically configured for satellite-controlled beyond line-of-sight missions, BLOS. The S code in Anka-S stands for SATCOM. The Anka-S UAV is equipped with a Viasat VR-18C high-power airborne satellite communications (SATCOM) antenna. Though currently operating without armaments, these drones come equipped with sophisticated surveillance equipment including electro-optical/infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and encrypted satellite communications, capabilities that will significantly enhance Malaysia's ability to monitor its exclusive economic zone for foreign intrusions and illegal fishing activities. The acquisition followed an extensive international tender process initiated in 2020 that carefully evaluated competing systems such as the American MQ-9 Reaper and Chinese Winglong. Malaysia ultimately selected the Turkish solution based on its favorable combination of cost-effectiveness, proven reliability, and customization potential free from geopolitical constraints. The May 2023 contract package included not just the 3 aircraft but also complete ground control stations, support infrastructure, and comprehensive training for Royal Malaysia Air Force (RMAF) personnel. To ensure smooth implementation, 6 RMAF specialists were dispatched to Turkey to supervise production and modification work, contributing to the program's ahead-of-schedule completion. Local firm G7 Aerospace simultaneously prepared Labuan Air Base with specialized hangars and maintenance facilities tailored for UAV operations. The No. 11 Squadron has been designated to operate these systems, with potential expansion to 6 additional units under consideration for Malaysia's 13th National Development Plan spanning 2026 to 2030. The Anka-S boasts impressive operational parameters with its 17.5-meter wingspan, 8-meter length, and maximum takeoff weight of approximately 1,700 kilograms. With a 30-hour endurance capability and 30,000-foot service ceiling, it cruises at around 204 kilometers per hour to provide persistent surveillance coverage. The platform features a composite airframe, electromechanical actuators, redundant flight systems, and an autonomous flight control computer developed by TAI. Its comprehensive payload includes electro-optical/infrared cameras, a Selson-CATS optical targeting systems, synthetic aperture radar, GMTI radar, inverse SAR, and encrypted satellite communication via a Viasat VR-18C antenna. The system also integrates identification friend or foe (IFF) systems, a laser target designator, and laser rangefinder, all combining to provide Malaysia with unprecedented maritime domain awareness. While configured for reconnaissance only in this instance, the platform retains weaponization potential through compatibility with Turkish precision munitions like Roketsan's MAML and Sirit missiles should future requirements change. Turkey's growing success in drone exports is evidenced by the Anka-S adoption across multiple continents. Tunisia's $80 million acquisition of 3 systems, later expanded to 5 aircraft, marked the beginning, followed by Kazakhstan's purchase of 3 units plus plans for local production of 30 more. Indonesia's order for 12 drones includes provisions for domestic assembly of 6 units through Indonesian Aerospace, while Algeria and Chad have taken delivery of 10 and 2 systems respectively. Uzbekistan joined this expanding clientele with its 2025 procurement announcement. The platform's combat-proven reliability stems from extensive operational deployment with various Turkish military branches, including the Air Force, Naval Forces, Gendarmerie, and National Intelligence Organization, across challenging theaters in Syria, Libya, and Iraq. Malaysia's adoption represents both the system's first Southeast Asian deployment and a milestone in burgeoning Malaysia-Turkey defense relations. This strategic enhancement comes amid ongoing regional tensions in the South China Sea, where multiple claimants including China, Vietnam, and the Philippines maintain competing territorial assertions. Malaysia's approach notably differs from more confrontational postures adopted by some neighbors, instead favoring discreet but capable monitoring to safeguard national interests while maintaining cordial relations with all parties, including major powers like China and the United States. The choice of Turkish technology reflects Malaysia's careful navigation of contemporary geopolitics. As Turkish Ambassador Emir Salim Yüksel emphasized, the partnership offers enhanced capabilities without political preconditions, aligning perfectly with Malaysia's principle of maintaining strategic autonomy. This deployment exemplifies the country's nuanced approach to defense modernization, investing in cutting-edge surveillance tools to protect maritime sovereignty while avoiding unnecessary escalation. The Anka-S deployment ultimately represents more than just military hardware acquisition. It embodies Malaysia's commitment to defending its interests through technological advantage and quiet diplomacy rather than saber-rattling. These drones will serve as vigilant sentinels, monitoring not just potential military challenges but also addressing practical concerns like illegal fishing and piracy.